I think one of the problems with mice is that they're named after the actual animal. But you know, we click it, we shove it around, but do we hear any pain from it? No. Which is why I have the perfect solution for you.
Why? Why? Why?
Alright, so the first thing we need to do is record some audio clips for the mouse to scream. Save them and make sure you know what the name is. Now open up an IDE. I'm using PyCharm and we need to install some modules. So pip install PyInputs, and once this is installed, pip install PlaySound. And then we need to drag in the audio clips we recorded earlier. Make sure these are in the right directory. And then we need to import the modules we just downloaded. So from pyinput.mouse, import listener, and this will detect mouse inputs, and from PlaySound, import PlaySound. And this is going to play the sound. And finally, import random, which is going to select a random voice clip. Now we need to put the audio clip names into a list. So mine are sound1.wav, sound2, and sound3. So now def on click, X, Y button, and pressed. And this detects the inputs for these things, but we only need the pressed input. So now if pressed, then play sound, random.choice sound, and now with listener, onClick equals onClick as listener, then listener.join. And this creates a thread every time someone clicks the mouse. And it should look something like this.
Why? Why?
Why, hello there.